Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to have so much fun learning all about things that are long and things that are round.
Hello, children! I am your Vidya Didi, and I'm so happy you're here today. I hope you're ready for some fun because we are going to play a game, sing a lovely song, and I have a very special story for you about a very clever little lamb. Are you excited? I know I am. Let's begin.
First up, let's play a game with a song. It's called What is Long, What is Round? All you have to do is look around you while we sing. Ready? Let's all sing together.
My pencil box is long.
And my ball is round. Look around, look around. Come on, now it's your turn to sing with me.
What is long? What is round? Look around, look around.
My legs are long and my face is round. Look around, look around. Very good singing.
Okay, now it's your turn. I want you to look all around your room, right now. Can you find something that is round? Go on, have a look. Did you find something? Maybe it's a plate, or a clock on the wall, or even a little coin. Wonderful.
Wasn't that a lovely song? Now, just like I promised, it's story time. Let's get comfortable and listen to a story about a little lamb who was very brave and her grandmother who was very clever.
Once upon a time, there was a sweet little lamb. She was happily hopping and skipping through the fields because she was on her way to visit her dear grandmother. The sun was shining, birds were singing, it was a beautiful day. But, oh no, on the way, a big, hungry wolf saw the little lamb, and the wolf thought, yummy, I'm going to catch that little lamb for my lunch. The poor little lamb was so scared. The lamb ran as fast as her little legs could carry her to her grandmother's house. When her grandmother heard about the wolf, she said, "Don't you worry," because she had a brilliant idea. She found a big round drum, a dolak, and told the little lamb to hide inside. Then, the wise grandmother gave the drum a little push, and whoosh, it started to roll, and roll, and roll down the big hill. The little lamb was tucked safely inside, tumbling and bumping along. The silly wolf saw the big drum rolling past, but he had no idea the little lamb was inside. He tried to catch it, but it was too fast. And so, the clever little lamb rolled all the way home, safe and sound. What a smart grandmother! So, did you see how that big, round drum helped the lamb escape? It's because round things can roll. Now, some things can roll, but other things do something a little different. They slide. Let's find out more about that. Let's look at this lovely picture of a park. Do you see the little girl on the slide? She is sliding all the way down. Whee! That looks like fun. And now look at the football and that log of wood. If you give them a little push, they will roll. So what's the difference? It's really quite simple. Things that are round, like a ball or an orange, they can roll. But things that are flat, like a book or a box, they slide. Okay, now here's a tricky one. Look at the children playing carom. The striker is round, isn't it? But it's also flat on the top and on the bottom. So when you hit it, it doesn't really roll, it zips and slides across the board. All right, let's look at our park picture one more time. I want you to be a detective. Tell me which things will roll and which things will slide. Let's start with the football. If you kick it, will it roll or slide? That's right, it will roll. Now, what about that cardboard box near the slide? If you give it a push, will it roll or slide? Yes, it will slide. You are all so clever. You have learned so much today. Now, for our last little game. Are you ready? It's time to play with some fun shapes. Okay, first question. Look at the shapes on your screen. Can you point to the one that looks just like a birthday cap? Which one is it? It's the cone! That's correct! Well done! Here's the next one. Which of these shapes looks like a glass you drink water from? Take a good look. Have you found it? Yes, it's the cylinder. Wonderful. And for the last question, which shape here looks like a matchbox? Can you point to it? It's the cuboid. You got it. Fantastic job, everyone. You were all amazing today. Now, I have some fun homework for you. You can try making a house or a robot using old boxes you find at home. Or you can even try using a birthday cap as a funnel. Playing with shapes is just so much fun. Thank you for learning with me today, children. Goodbye, and see you next time.